So here we have a question, 32 divided by 8 plus 5 multiply 3. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. So according to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parentheses, and second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction, and also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So in this question we have one division, one addition, one multiplication. So first we have to solve multiplication and division, and both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. Okay. So 32 divided by 8 is equal to 4 plus 5 multiply 3. Now here we have addition and here we have multiplication. So first we have to solve multiplication. Okay. So is equal to 4 plus now 5 multiply 3 is equal to 15. So now 4 plus 15 is equal to 19. Okay. So the correct answer is 19.